Hi, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica, and I am still making projects to use up all of my charms. I made two massive charm bracelets. I started with round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, a 3-in-1 tool, bracelet chain, a lobster clasp, 8mm jump rings, and all these different beads and charms. None of them make sense together, therefore all of them will make sense together when they're all put together. I measured out my chain and I used the jump rings to add the larger pieces of the charms all throughout. Originally, I had them in order and I was counting spaces, and I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna load this thing up with all these different charms. So I just went for it. I ended up being able to put, actually, before I give you the number, here is the finished look. Guess how many charms I fit on here? I put one on every link, 35 charms. I also, some of them are actually beads on head pins or eye pins with charms hanging off of them. I just mix and matched everything that I had to put it all together, and I used a jump ring on the end, a lobster clasp on the other end. I love how this came out. It's such a wonderful story. Like, you could put any kind of narrative together for this charm bracelet. And hello, maximalism is where it's at, right? Do you think I should have put 2 charms per link? Let me know in the comments if you think it's just right or if I need to add more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks!